Namaste, good evening. Welcome to the special bulletin. I am Swati Tomar with you. Let's begin with headlines. Corona's big shock to China. Around 1,000 companies ready to come to India. Another good news for India, Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan to be appointed WHO Executive Board's President. India extends a helping hand towards Palestine refugees where financial assistance of $2 million given to refugees. And heavy destruction due to Amphan cyclone in West Bengal. News of 72 people died in the cyclone. Now let's start the news in details. Despite the economy being affected by the lockdown, India is dreaming big. The biggest reason is that 1,000 companies from China turned to India. Seeing the companies coming to India, the Dragon Company is stunned and continues spewing its poison against India. It says that no one can replace China. Regarding this, the Chinese government mouthpiece Global Times has said in an article that China is losing a lot due to this virus, while India seems to be moving towards betterment. In such, Germany's shoe company is ready to shift its manufacturing unit from China to India, while mobile companies like Oppo and Apple are also ready to shift to India. Union Health Minister Dr. Harsh Vardhan has been appointed as the chairman of the next executive board of WHO, World Health Organization. Let us tell you that Harsh Vardhan will take over his assignment on 22nd May. He has been appointed chairman of the board in place of Dr. Haruki Nakatani of Japan. The proposal to appoint India's nominee was passed on 19th May 2020 at the World Health Organization meeting of 197 countries. It was also unanimously decided that India would be on the executive board during the 3-year term starting in May. Let us tell you that there are 34 members at present in the executive board. Additional board members from India includes Botswana, Colombia, Ghana, Guinea-Bissau, Madagascar, Oman, Republic of Korea, Russia and the UK. The whole world is struggling with the wrath of coronavirus. In the bad phase, India is fighting with bravery and has not backed down to help the needy. One such news in which India has contributed financial assistance to Palestinian refugees. Let us tell you that Indian government has recently provided assistance of $2 million to the United Nations Relief and Work Agency. This is an organization that works for the welfare of the Palestinian refugees. And there is a news of massive destruction caused by the Amphan cyclone in West Bengal. Let us tell you that 72 people died due to the cyclone. It is being told that its speed was 155 km to 165 km per hour, which later increased to 185 km per hour. Due to this, rain started in coastal Odisha and West Bengal. Lots of houses collapsed and more than 4 lakh people had to be moved to safe places. At the same time, Meteorological Department is monitoring the situation for the next 24 hours and the NDRF team is engaged in relief and rescue operation. That's all in today's bulletin.